Have you ever wondered what happens after you die? Would there really be such a bridge? Who will be thinner than hair and faster than a sword? Today, we will find out the truth of the Day of Judgment, Doom and Pulsirat. After death, every person will be brought back to life and presented to Allah. Everyone will be accounted for. Good deeds will be rewarded and bad deeds will be punished. After the life of this world, there is another life that will never end. When the time comes for the end of the world, Hazrat Israfil, peace be upon him, will blow the tune by the command of Allah. There will be a tremendous sound which will destroy the whole world. Everything on earth and in the sky will be destroyed. Then a second time the trumpet will be blown and all mankind will rise again and stand before their Lord. On the day of resurrection, Allah will gather all human beings in the Maidan-e-Hashr. Each person will give an account of the good and bad things he has done. Those who have done good deeds in the world will receive Allah's mercy and will be admitted to paradise, and those who have done evil things will be punished. On that day, there will be a bridge which is called Pulsirat. It will be built over hell. Every human being has to pass through this bridge. This bridge will be thinner than a hair and faster than a sword. Righteous and honest people will cross this bridge very quickly, some like lightning, some like the wind, and some running. But the sinners will fall from this bridge and go to hell. Hell is very deep and has various punishments. His water will be very hot and boiling. The food there will be thorny and bitter. The fire of Dozak must be very flaming. But those who believe in Allah and do righteous deeds will eventually enter paradise by the mercy of Allah. The righteous servants of Allah will always reside in paradise, and there they will receive all kinds of blessings and comforts. On the day of resurrection, there will also be a scale in which the good and bad deeds of the people will be weighed. Those whose noble deeds are heavy will succeed, and those whose bad deeds will be heavy will be at a loss. Allah will finally admit His righteous servants to paradise, where there will be eternal happiness, peace, and comfort. Therefore, in this life, we should do good deeds and always remember Allah, so that on the day of judgment, we may also be successful.